Good morning, guys.
Saya
So,
pagi-pagi tak
now
boleh
we're
dia
having
sakit
breakfast.
perut pagi-pagi.
It's kind of a toast. It's not kind of a toast, it is a toast. We're all eating cereal. So today we have classes and they all have class, but sadly my class is not even listed in the book, so I think maybe class cancelled. So later I'm going to ask them and okay, see you guys later. Let me have my breakfast. Alright, morning guys. So the classes have been sorted out and I've been changed course. Previously I took Introduction to Computer Networking and IoT, and then now they changed me to Cloud Computing, and IoT is still the same. So my friend also is taking Asian soap operas and crisis communication in new media. So right now we're walking to our class, which is at GSI, right?
Yeah, GSI.
What is GSI stand for?
Global Study Institute.
Oh, Global Study. Oh, that one.
Yeah.
So that's the building over there.
Okay.
Oh, today is sunny day, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. See you guys in the class. Alright guys, we just came into our class. Yeah?
Team number
Team number 10.
10.
So remember the computer lab I showed you guys yesterday? We are in that class right now. So this is Mendel, she's from Singapore, and that's Cheryl, and she's from Singapore also. Hi. What's your name? Kwame. Where are you from? China. Oh. 大家好. Malaysia. Yeah. Guys, look at the laptop. I mean the computer screen. It's like twice of my laptop. It's the keyboard. So the subject is cloud computing by MSG.
Power of CPU, power of memory, and you can use the storage space from Google. You can use Microsoft Office from the Azure, Microsoft Azure Cloud environment. So what is cloud? I have two lessons.
The class is late.
This time as
The lecturer is very good. He teaches the classes very well. Look at my notes. It's been a long time since I'm writing notes, and my handwriting is teruk sial. See, teruk handwriting. See this one, create lecture note. So now it's like break. The class finishes at 12. I'm hungry already, I want to get lunch. Mendel made a lecture note and she's printing it and hey, later send me I too lazy. Right guys, we're done with the first class and it was good. So now I'm hungry and we're heading to the cafeteria to eat lunch. Hi bro. Yeah, vlogging. This is from Malaysia, by the way. Guys, I want you to see the view from here, because that day all was raining, right? Then now you see. That's Busan, and I think summer has begun today. Fucking hot. Don't fall down. So now we're heading to the cafeteria for the lunch, and then later on there's another class. The summer is really hot here, but basically it's like in Perlis lah. Perlis is hot lah, so pretty much the same weather. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the cafeteria later. Alright guys, we have done with the first day of class. The first class, which was about at 9:30 to 12. And the class was amazing. The lecturer was really good because he really showed his understanding in the subject and he really brought us to the topic. So how about your first day of class?
My first day of class was so amazing. The lecture was so nice. She's from Philippines. It was so happening. We get to eat some chocolate in the class, but it's a theatre class, so mostly the activities are physical.
So the subject is theatre, applied.
Applied theatre, yes.
Same class?
Same class.
Same fun.
Yeah, same class, same thing. Yeah. Same thing.
So right now let's dig in our food. See you guys later, bye bye. Alright guys, actually we came down to the city area to find for a SIM card, but then unfortunately there was no SIM card after our phone. So now this is our first time using the bus to go back to our campus. So it costs like about 1,400 won. It's like it's like about 4 ringgit lah in our country is like 4 ringgit Malaysia. So that this one will bring us directly to the campus. So then we're on the way there. And I have a class like at 1:30 lah. So now the time is like almost 1:30. It's like 1:15 I think. 15 minutes more lah. So see you guys over there. Alright guys, we're back to class. Very sleepy. So this class is IoT lah, about Internet of Things. So it's basically about how we use, for instance, okay, like this card, right? This card here is like our room card. So inside here there's like this chip where we can open our room door, like I showed it in my previous vlog. If you haven't watched that scene, you go to the previous vlog. So this is an example of IoT lah. So you just scan and then the door opens. He's making a vlog. That's my lecturer over there. So this class is basically about IoT. So I'll update you guys later on about what he teaches lah. So basically this is the same lecturer since just now. And he's been teaching us cloud computing and now he's teaching us IoT. So we'll see you guys in the next video. I mean, see you guys later on. Sorry, I'm damn sleepy. Hey macam, settle with class already lah. First day class settle bro. So I'm gonna go to my room and maybe sleep and then work out a bit. So see you guys later lah. I always say see you guys later, see you guys later. Yo. Finally the sun is here. So hey Janui, what are you doing?
I am trying to not make myself asleep.
Alright.
No, you go inside here, first floor.
Yeah, just the staircase only difference lah. Miley.
Faster, you're stressing.
Hey, same thing day. Work, at least walk a bit lah. Alright guys, back from class just now, like around 4:30 like that. Just only finished my workout. Did my workout here, right here. Because the gym apparently was too expensive. They said they couldn't give like for one day. Like in Malaysia, you enter one day, you charge like 5 ringgit like that. Here is like you have to pay for like 1 month. So I'm not using for that long also. And the opening date for the package is also 25th July. So that time is towards the time I'm going back already. So that's why I'm doing my workout in the room lah. So right now it's 5:30 and they're serving dinner at 5:30, you know. That's the weird part. It's very early. So I had to do my workout early and now I have to go and take dinner. Then come back and shower. Then see you guys later lah. Alright, see you. Alright guys, back to my room and I'm done with dinner. And what an irony. The sun hasn't gone down yet and I'm done with dinner. So today, sorry I didn't record the scene at the cafeteria because I was too hungry. They had like takoyaki, and then they had lychee. Lychee, we can peel and eat the lychee, and then they had some what they call ukodon or something ukodon. I don't know, some Korean name I don't know. But then it's like it's like a mee. The mee is thick. Maybe some of you who love Korean food know lah. Not to say I don't like Korean food, I like Korean food, but then it's the first time I'm trying this food, so I don't know much. So I think that's all for today, because after this there's not much no more. I think there's no activity after this. It's just us going out. So if I lepak around outside, I'll maybe shoot something. But then for today, I think this is all. So I'm ending the vlog here. And I'm not sure I'll be vlogging tomorrow or not, because it's basically the same thing all over again. So if there's anything new, I will make sure I vlog that thing lah, so that you guys can see it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel also, and give a thumbs up for this video if you liked it. And so yeah, that's all. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye.